I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sow Echinacea seeds. First, your Echinacea seeds will benefit greatly from a cold stratification period, ideally for 30 to 60 days. You can achieve this by placing them in a damp paper towel inside a plastic bag in your refrigerator. Once stratified, prepare your seed starting mix in trays or small pots. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep, gently covering them with a thin layer of soil. This initial step is crucial for successful germination. After planting, maintaining consistent moisture is key, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to damping off disease. Place your trays in a location that receives bright, indirect light, perhaps near a south-facing window or under grow lights for 12 to 16 hours daily. You should begin to see tiny seedlings emerge within 10 to 20 days. Continue to monitor moisture levels and light exposure closely during this delicate early growth phase. Once your Echinacea seedlings have developed 2 sets of true leaves, they are ready for transplanting into slightly larger pots. Before moving them permanently outdoors, it is essential to harden them off. Over a period of 7 to 10 days, gradually expose the plants to increasing amounts of sunlight and outdoor temperatures. Finally, select a garden location that receives at least 6 hours of full sun daily and has well-draining soil for their final home. After transplanting, your Echinacea plants will require consistent care to flourish. Water them regularly, especially during dry periods, throughout their first growing season to establish strong root systems. These resilient plants prefer full sun, so ensure they receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. With proper care, you can anticipate a spectacular display of vibrant blooms from midsummer all the way through early autumn, attracting pollinators to your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.